So welcome to the programming languages courses. So we will discuss in this courses of this only C languages, and we will this courses is only for those who are pursuing the GATE examination and PSU. So firstly, so the first topic will be discussed. So let's before the lecture I have some point. Firstly, I will give the some concept. After the concept will be completed, then we will give the I will give the example. So the agenda for the today lecture is precedence in C. We will discuss precedence in C, then associativity in C, and then will be the why we use the associativity, and fourth will be the precedence and associativity table. So here we go. So start with the precedence. So the precedence in C means in the expression which operator will be evaluated first. So I will give the definition of all the things. So this which will be evaluated first. So we know that multiplication is the higher precedence than addition, and suppose we know that, and this is the example 1 plus 2 star 3. Suppose this is the expression. In this expression we want to use the precedence rule. Suppose we know that in the precedence star is higher priority than addition. So firstly a star will be executed by compiler, and then after the result of the star 1 will be added to the expression. So the second expression 1 plus 2 followed by star will be not executed, and third will be the associativity in C. So associativity, when are used associativity? So whenever in the given expression the two operator are same priority. I will repeat this statement. In the given expression, whenever the two operator is the same priority, then we can use the associativity. This is the definition of the associativity. It is used when two operator of the same precedence appear in the expression. So basically the two types of associativity in C, either left to right or right to left. So left to right means in the given expression, firstly we have go to the left to right. In the left to right, whatever the first two operand will be give, then these two operands will be executed. And what do you mean by right to left? Right to left means go to the right and take the two operands, and these two operands will be the executed. And I will give also example. See, this is the simple example. So we know that plus and minus have the same precedence, so we will use the left to right. And suppose this is the expression 100 plus 10 minus 10. So because we know that associativity is left to right, so firstly we go to the 100 and plus 10, then this will be the executed first, and after the compiler will be executed, the result will be subtracted from the 10, and this will be the executed 100 plus 10 bracket minus 10. So the second will be the, I will give the rules, and this you can download from any website. So this is the most important whatever we are saying rule of the association in this table. So firstly will the bracket will be the always higher priority in the C languages, and next will be the arrays bracket, array subscript. This will be the second priority. So this will be the go to the left to right, and bottom will be the commas operator. So in this table is more important. So in this last lecture I have covered, I will give the some idea how to remember this table. So in this lecture we have do the only 4 topic. So firstly we have deal with the precedence in C. What do you mean by precedence? Precedence mean in the given expression which operator will be executed first. Associativity means if the operator has the same precedence, then we are use the associativity, and follow by the precedence table. So thanks for the watching this lecture. If you have any doubt, then you can comment it. And after this is the first lecture, and in the second lecture I will give the example from this topic. So don't worry, I will give at least 4 to 5 example I will give. So thank for the watching this lecture.